This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Gary Finkelstein. Proudly presenting, this lovely 3-bedroom, with den, 2.5 bath, 2-car pool home in sought-after Canterbury community. This beautiful home features a large open floor plan with vaulted ceilings. Beautiful floors, nice kitchen, bathrooms, hurricane protection, and best of all, the location. House sits in a cul-de-sac that will be a stone's throw away from new Plantation Walk, 2021 completion, perfect for entertainment. The backyard is extremely private, large pool, and lush landscaping. This house isn't going to last. For more information, review the details below.